Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for another Dollar Tree DIY. You guys, I've been DIYing all weekend, and I just had to show you this idea. It's cute in my head. I so hope it comes out so cute in real life. So, if you've seen these at the Dollar Tree, right, I've grabbed one of those. I also have a bunch of flowers here. Can you see all those lovely little roses? I have, well, now it has glitter all in there, but that's okay. The little trifle dish from the party section. One of these little floral foams. I'm just going to take this paper off, or the plastic off. And then, of course, I'm doing all of my Valentines in the black, white, pink, and red. So I've got some of the buffalo check ribbon, and I'm going to take a piece of that fits on the inside, okay? We're going to do the inside of this. Now you could hot glue it if you'd like, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to keep this exactly or if I'm going to change it out, because I haven't seen these and I think they are adorable. And so I might want to change it out with the different seasons. So I'm not going to glue it. I also have some gingham ribbon, but I am going to take this foam and I'm going to put the foam right in here. And that foam is going to hold this in place. I'm telling it it's going to, so I hope it's going to. And just have to pull this up around it. Okay, there we go. Usually it'll listen to you if you tell it what to do, right? I wish life and crafts were that easy. But this one seems to be. And it is a little bit higher. You can cut it down if you want to, but we're going to be covering it up with those roses. So you could see that ribbon fits perfectly in there. I'm so excited. Okay, we've got that part. I'm going to set it off to the side with the roses there. And I'm going to choose which one of these we want to do. And I think the XO is cute. That one is cute. Let's just go with those bottom two, shall we? So we're just going to cut these little guys off. And we still have these three, and they're all together. So if you ever want to do something with that, you can. But for right now, I'm going to use these two. And I'm just going to cut the ribbon so you can't see it. You could take it off as well. But that kind of just creates more of a mess, and it's a little bit harder. Yeah, I'm just going to cut it right off. Okay, now, I've got my Arteza markers, of course, and some popsicle sticks that you also can get at the Dollar Tree. And what you're going to do is we're just going to paint this little guy black. So just go, if you don't know about these markers, this is acrylic paint that's in here. So you just go ahead and paint that all nice and black. Go ahead, get the edges just like that. It's so nice. You guys, these markers are so awesome. I use them all the time. I know if you've been watching my channel at all, you know I am a fan, and I will put a link down below. I am an affiliate, so I will get a little bit of commission, if you will. So just do this all the way. You do the front and the back. Now you don't only have to go up so high. I went up about that high, and I will show you why. Both of the ends are going to be tucked away. So I've already done one, and it's already all nice and dry. And we are going to take these little guys, right? And I said we're going to tuck it away. I was not kidding. We're going to put this right here. Now, along with that, I'm going to put some right here just to hold everything together, but I really want that to be right on there. And then on this one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put some right there, and then on this one, I'm going to do the inside. And then we're going to put this down right in the center, straight. And then we're going to take this side, we're going to line it all up. Just like that. And so it's going to be beautiful on all sides. So we're just going to hold that. We've got that sign there, that sign here. These would be perfect like for Valentine's prop parties. So you can hold them up. So I thought that was really cute too. And let's go ahead, while that's drying, we're going to bring this back up. I know that we're going to put a hole right in the center, so I don't want anything to go in there, but I definitely want to not to struggle. So I'm going to open that up a little bit. And I think we're good here. I think we are. Let me just double check. I'm going to show you here. We're going to pop that in. I'm going to pop it in. There we go. About that high. So you could see. And now I'm going to move that kind of out of the way so you could see at the top here. And then we're just going to start putting in our roses. Now some of mine, they do have little stems. You could always cut the stems off if you'd like. However you'd like, you can pop them in here. You can stick them in sideways. So I'm just popping them in. Again, I don't want to, I do have some that have some of these guys in there. So I'm going to pop those in over here. And we're just going to go all the way around with these. And you can go side by side, red, pink, whatever you'd like to do. I'll stick these guys in there. And make sure you have enough of those little dudes. Yeah, I might have to hot glue these in there. Yep, I'm going to hot glue them. So we're going to take some of that hot glue. And again, I still want to reuse this, so I'm not going to do too much as far as hot gluing. I'm not going to go like really crazy. Some of these I'm just going to stick in there because I do want them to kind of look florally, you know, like real flowers. I don't want them just to be pasted in there. So little doggo's going a little bit crazy over there. That's okay. So any of these that have the little stems, I'm just sticking them in the sides so that they could kind of hang over. Just like this. And then we're going to go from the top. And I think I will go ahead and glue these in because I do want them to be nice and straight. And the same with these. I grabbed it. Don't worry, I grabbed another one. So I'm gonna just like that. And then I've got one more. We're going to go just like this. So we're going to have nice full thing of roses here. Just as long as your green is all covered up. This one is giving me a hard time, so I'm going to glue him in. And I just took off the stick. That's all I did. And it's so cute. Yeah, I'm going to glue a couple of these in. They are giving me a hard time. And this one, same thing. So let me show you from this side here. Look how cute that is. Isn't that cute? It's a nice little bouquet there for a table centerpiece. And then I'm going to take some of the pink gingham ribbon. We're going to wrap that around the front. And here I will tack it down with some hot glue. But only in that area, because I'm going to probably change this out as the seasons come. So I'm going to tack that hot glue in the same exact spot, and then without, there we go, without burning myself. And then I've taken a little bow here, and I've already made it so you wouldn't have to struggle through that, but I am going to go ahead and cut little tails there. Just like that. And I'm going to, again, I think we're going to see, I've got those little chalkboard hearts again. I am just loving them. No, I don't think I'm going to go with that this time. I'm going to look here and see if there's one that I want. Maybe the red. That's not going that well. But this one does. So I'm going to get this cute little, this little one here. We're going to stick that right there. That's going to cover up that ribbon. Right? Set it a little bit higher there. And then we're going to take this one, decide which is the front and the back, hot glue that. And we're going to put that right on there. Oh yeah, that is super cute. So let me go ahead and show you. This is the one side. You see that that pink looks really cute there. Oh, I'm going to have to tack that in place. But then look at this side as well. So you could do the other side as well, because it's just a heart and a ribbon, and we can do a heart and a ribbon on that side. So how cute is that? Oh my gosh, and look how nice it looks from the top. It's so nice and full. I think it is super cute. I'm going to go and set it out. I will show you some pictures. If you guys like it, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I would love to see your comments, and let me know if you're appreciating the DIYs for Valentine's. I'm certainly having fun making them. Alright, I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will talk to you later.